Alright, today we're going to be looking at how to farm battle towers essentially, or how to do them without having much armor or something like that. So what you're going to need is a gathering level of 4 and a fishing rod. So we're also going to need about a stack and a half-ish of blocks to pillar up all the way to the top with. Now once we get there, we're going to want to use the fishing rod on the tower golem. Alright, now that we are all the way up here, we can start fishing for the tower golem. We want to get him a couple of times. And then you want to descend down to the top of the battle tower. So there he goes. He'll get thrown away from your fishing rod. He's going to be all the way down there somewhere. You just don't worry about him. See, he's somewhere down there. Yeah. So once you've done that, he'll keep shooting fireballs. But you are free to get all the loot from this chest. So there we go. That is how you easily farm battle towers. You don't need any armor, any weapons. Just a fishing rod and a couple of blocks. So that'll be it for this tutorial. Come back later when I have another one.
It's all about humanity.